Okay, good morning all.
Good
Morning.
morning.
Okay. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks, and you?
I'm good. Now we want to study. We want to study. Before study, let's pray together.
Before we study, let's pray together. Pray begin. And finish.
Okay, thank you, Fanny. Okay, today we want to study about past simple. Do you know about past simple? Talk about simple past. Dia berbicara tentang apa? Masalah?
Masa lalu.
Masa lalu. Okay, before we are study about past simple, we want to watch the video. Look at the video.
Ian.
Udah ada tampilannya?
Udah, Miss.
Oke, siap ya. Kita lihat dulu, nanti Miss tanya satu persatu.
ESL Library. Simple past. What are verb tenses? Verb tenses show the time that an action takes place. The simple past is a verb tense. We use the simple past tense for finished past actions. For example, I watched a movie yesterday. I ate dinner 2 hours ago. I was busy last week. With regular verbs, we use the verb plus ed to form the simple past. The verb form is the same for all subjects. For example, the simple past of the verb watch is watched. I walked my dog yesterday. She played the guitar at my party last month. The students studied last night. With irregular verbs, the verb changes into a different form. We do not use ed. Here are some examples of irregular verbs. Listen and repeat. Do, did. Drink, drank. Eat, ate. Go, went. Have, had. Run, ran. Say, said. Sing, sang. Sleep, slept. Write, wrote. The verb form is the same for all subjects. For example, the simple past form of the verb eat is ate. You went to Paris 2 years ago. My dog slept on my bed last night. We drank coffee yesterday morning. Be is the only simple past verb that changes forms for different subjects. The two simple past forms of the verb be are was and were. I was cold yesterday afternoon. My dog was hungry. My new shoes were expensive. Look at the picture and say or write a simple past sentence. For example, they ate pizza last night. Now you try.
Kalau ini apa yo? Play. Jadinya played. Selanjutnya watch. Jadinya tambahin ed di belakangnya. Ya, betul. Selanjutnya terakhir nih. Go. Berarti verb keduanya tadi apa?
When.
Ya, when. Good job. Oke ya, thank you. Ini. Stop share. Oke, sekarang Miss jelasin materi yang kemarin sudah Miss berikan di GCR. Itu sama aja terkait dengan simple past. Jadi simple past itu adalah sebuah kejadian yang dilakukan di masa lalu yang tidak ada hubungannya dengan masa sekarang. That situation is the past, ya, the past situation. And using verb to, using verb to, verb kedua. Jadi kalau go, verb keduanya apa tadi? When. Kalau drink? Drunk. Good. Nah, this is the materials. Jadi kayak gini ya. Simple past itu dia ada yang pakai to be, ada yang enggak. Jadi gini, kalau misalnya present, to be-nya itu kan is, am, are. Ya. Kalau di past, dia to be-nya was sama were. Bedanya kalau di past, kalau di present, kalau I dia pakai am, you pakai are, yang pakai are apa aja? You, they, sama we. Ya, sama we pakainya are. Kalau is apa aja is? She, he, and it. She, he, it. Itu pakainya is. Nah, kalau di past tense, I, she, he, and it, dia pakai was. Kalau you, they, sama we, dia pakainya were. Paham ya? Nah, ini bisa dilihat. Kalau dia subjeknya they, berarti kalau dia nih subjeknya they, berarti dia pakai were, ya kan? Nah, di sini kenapa dia pakai to be? Karena di sini bukan kata kerja. Friends, di sini bukan kata kerja. Ya. Kalau dia pakai kata kerja, dia tidak perlu to be. Contohnya, she worked yesterday. Dia pakai verb. Kata kerjanya bisa berubah jadi tipe kedua. Ada yang kata kerja irregular sama kata kerja reguler. Kalau kata kerja irregular, perubahannya berbeda. Seperti verb satunya drink, verb keduanya tadi apa? Drank, ya. Verb satunya go, verb keduanya went. itu irregular, yang tidak beraturan. Kalau yang beraturan, pasti di akhirnya ditambahin dengan ed. Oke, sampai sini paham? For example, for example, this is they were friends using to be because they're not verbs. And beside, she worked yesterday. She worked yesterday were as a verb, not using to be, karena sudah ada verbnya. To be di sini adalah auxiliary verb, yaitu kata ganti kerja. Jadi kalau tidak ada kata kerja, menggunakan to be. To be-nya apa, Miss? Kalau simple past, to be-nya was and were. Oke. Apa sih gunanya simple past? To express complete action in the past. Jadi untuk memberikan, mengekspresikan, mengungkapkan kegiatan yang sudah selesai. To express complete action. Sudah selesai di masa lalu. Ya, tidak ada hubungannya dengan masa sekarang. Selanjutnya, to describe a series of complete action in the past. Untuk mendeskripsikan series bagian-bagian yang sudah selesai di masa lalu. Atau to express habit in the past. Ada kebiasaan di masa lalu. For stative verb, have, own, be, think, believe, know, dislike, need, own, and wish. Ini stative verb. Jadi kata kerja yang statif. Ya, kalau suka, dia kan apa sih kata kerja aktif sama tidak aktif. Nah, itu ada yang namanya stative verb gitu ya. For example, want to read number 1, Alif, please read. Yes, this is for example. I saw. Alif, read.
Oh, dibaca, Miss.
Yes.
I saw ghost last Friday.
Okay. Did you know the meaning of this sentence? Apa artinya? Saya.
Aku melihat hantu Jumat kemarin.
Ya, kamu sampai sekarang nggak lihat hantunya? Enggak kan? Nah, ini yang maksudnya complete action in the past ya. Good job. Alif, next. Atar. Please read this. I finished.
Walked to the beach and found a nice place to swim.
Okay, good. I finished work. Saya selesai bekerja. Walk to the beach. Lalu berjalan ke pantai and found a nice place to swim. Dan menemukan apa? Tempat yang bagus untuk berenang. Nah, di sini dia ada a series, ada bagian-bagiannya, tapi sudah selesai di masa lalu. Oke, paham maksud Miss? Oke, good. Next. Siapa ya? Avan? Avan, where are you? Please read. Oke, ini yang when I was young. Avan? Dengar suara Miss nggak?
Oh iya, dengar, Miss.
Oke, baca yang ini ya.
Ya, Miss.
Okay.
When I was young, I watched lots of television every day after school.
Oke, good. When I was young, ketika saya masih muda, I watch lots of television every day after school. Ketika saya masih muda, saya nonton banyak acara televisi setelah pulang sekolah. Tapi ternyata kamu udah nggak sekolah, ya kan? Berarti express habit in the past. Contohnya, when I was child, I watch a lot of cartoon movie. Dulu tuh kamu suka nonton Upin Ipin, terus Doraemon, tapi kan sekarang udah enggak. Berarti itu tuh express habit in the past. Paham ya sampai sini? Nah, selanjutnya, Clea, ini yang ini. Halo, Clea. Oke, baca.
Iya, Miss.
Yang ini, he had a small.
He had a small cottage in the woods.
Oke. He had a small cottage in the wood. Jadi dia punya cottage apa cottage? Ada yang tahu cottage itu apa? Penginapan? Ya, dari wood. Wood itu dari apa?
Hutan.
Kayu.
Kayu,
Betul.
betul. Bambu atau kayu, betul ya. Jadi ini adalah simple past. Nah, kalau kalian mau bercerita di masa lalu, kalimatnya menggunakan simple past. Don't forget adverb of time. Adverb of time-nya itu nggak boleh every day. Tapi apa? Yesterday, ya kan? 2 days ago. Pokoknya keterangan waktu yang menunjukkan kegiatan atau waktu yang sudah berlangsung. Gitu. Any question? Okay. The task for today, you write down only one sentence about simple past. Okay, good. If there are any question, kita berdoa. Tadi yang pimpin doa siapa?
Nida.
Fani. Tadi Fani yang pimpin doa. Sekarang yang pimpin doa Alif. Tadi girls, sekarang the end boys.
After study, let's pray together. Begin. Finish.
Oke, thank you Alif.